Why do your joints hurt even when you are young? You are only 42. So why does every step feel painful? Meet Umang Vekaria. At just 42 years old, his right knee pain became so severe that he couldn't even drive. After medical evaluation, he was diagnosed with arthritis because of excessive driving. His knee was worn out. And he was also found to be HLA-B27 positive, a marker associated with certain inflammatory autoimmune conditions. Like many people, he wondered, why is this happening to me at such a young age? The truth is that joints pain isn't always a result of aging. It may be associated with ongoing inflammation, metabolic health, inactivity, or repetitive constantly one type of activity like driving the car or bike or something, excess weight, or certain autoimmune conditions. And that is why persistent joint pain and stiffness should always be properly evaluated by an expert healthcare professional. Alongside his prescribed medical treatment, Vikram chose to follow a personalized integrative wellness program under professional guidance. His plan included an anti-inflammatory, calcium-rich diet, a 7-day monthly green mung and vegetable wellness program, the detox program, practitioner-guided Ayurvedic therapies such as Pindasvet, Agni Karma, Dhara and Basti wherever appropriate, together with lifestyle modifications like light exercises, yoga, pranayam, etc. and herbal support. Specifically, Anulom Vilom Pranayam, if done for 10 minutes every day, I have seen a significant improvement in autoimmune markers in the blood test after 3 to 6 months. Over the following months, Umang Vekaria reported a meaningful improvement in his mobility and day-to-day activities. He shared that he was once again able to walk, exercise, enjoy an active lifestyle. While this reflects one individual's experience out of thousands we have helped, but individual results always varies from person to person. Today itself, start eating more of warm, freshly cooked foods. Specifically include cooked vegetables like spinach, pumpkin, carrot, beetroot, moong dal, rice, oats, millet, quinoa, sweet fruits, ghee, sesame, flaxseed oil. Avoid seed oils and rather than that use more olive oil type of things, non-seed oils in your diet with spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, fennel, ginger, black pepper and cardamom in your food. This is reducing inflammation and excessive vata in your system. Vata air is causing stiffness and pain. Avoid wheat, red meat, refined sugar, sour fermented foods, raw salads, cold drinks, processed foods. Traditional home support is very important. You can take this home remedy right from your kitchen, and if you have any early joints pain, this will definitely help you. Back pain, neck pain, anything. Mix 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, coriander and fenugreek powder with half a teaspoon of dry ginger, half a teaspoon of garlic paste and quarter teaspoon of ajwain in warm water. And this mixture you should take it at least 2 to 3 times a day. Another traditional practice is 1 teaspoon of castor oil with hot water at bedtime. If appropriate and after consulting your healthcare practitioner, follow these advices. Clinical research published in an American journal, a double-blind study demonstrated that a 3-month course of Arthrox supplements, which included Pain Mukti MJ and Pain Mukti Sandhicare, significantly reduced dependency on painkillers. Up to 90% people did not need any painkillers. The group who participated, it was a double-blind study, so on the actives, the Arthrox program experienced sustained long-lasting relief from pain, stiffness and swelling without relying on conventional pain medications. Unlike standard painkillers, whose effect often wear off within 4 or 6 hours and disrupt the sleep when pain starts at the night, this combination from that program helped participants to sleep peacefully without any disturbance for 8 to 9 hours, and participants also reported improved energy, better mood, and enhanced overall well-being. The study showed remarkable functional improvement like walking capacity increased from 5 minutes to 30 minutes, standing tolerance improved from 5 minutes to 30 minutes at a time, and importantly, the research found the combination to be 100% safe with no reported side effects. I have shared an experience of someone who came to Ayush Shakti clinic, and this is one of the cases out of thousands we have treated in last 38 years. Please remember, individual results can always vary. This wellness program is intended to complement and not replace the medical care. Continue your regular prescribed treatment and consult Ayush Shakti experts before making any changes to your treatment plan.